What is a layer one cryptocurrency? Again, this is a question that you need to know the answer to. A layer one cryptocurrency is, if you want to think about the M1 motorway, the actual road itself is the layer one. So let's say that the M1 is Ethereum, which is a layer one cryptocurrency. The cars and service stations that are built on the M1 will be just the same as applications and software, we could say, that is then built upon that layer one. There are numerous layer one cryptocurrencies. The last video we spoke about Ethereum. Ethereum's been around since 2015. There are problems with Ethereum. It's very slow. It's very expensive to do anything on the actual network itself. They're called gas fees. There are other layer ones, Solana, Cardano, which is ADA. There is Polkadot and numerous others, Avalanche, etc. These are all trying to solve the problems that Ethereum has, which is scalability, speed of network, and transactional costs. Any layer one should have the ability to have smart contracts built into them, which allows, like we said in the last video, for contracts to be executed automatically and built into the code. So this wipes out centralization and meddling from third parties. My favorite layer one is a coin called Solana. If you've used any of the layer ones, which you do on your laptop, it's very difficult to do it on phones for a lot of cases, you will know that Solana is extremely fast and it's extremely cheap. You don't even notice how much it's cost you to send money on the Solana network or use its applications. Now, the applications are massive. We're now talking about gaming, NFTs, decentralized finance. These are just a few things that are being built and have been built on all of these layer one networks. In the next video, we're going to start talking about ecosystems that revolve around layer one cryptocurrencies. And this is where the big money can be made. If you're big on Ethereum, the coin itself is costing $3,000 roughly at the time of making this video. However, if you dive a little bit deeper and go and buy something like Uniswap, which is an exchange that runs on the Ethereum network, you might find buying Uniswap will create more gains in a bull run than potentially Ethereum. But choose your ecosystem and your layer one wisely, stick with it, and I would advise you to go and actually use them. Last bull run, I was a fan of something called Phantom, which is FTM. It's still going. It's very fast. It's very cheap. And that was kind of the home of decentralized finance, where you could take loans out, you could swap, you could do yield farming, things like that, which we will get into in other videos. It did take a plummet through the bear market. I'm still hopeful that we are going to see all-time highs within the next few months on the Phantom network. But just get to grips with how they work, what you can do on them, what their limitations are, and this will give you a better understanding of where you think your price action is going to take you within that layer one or its ecosystem.